Sirine Malice, Agnus Elie, part Beck. So!
Hey.
Hey. Richard?
Yes, it's me.
Stop. Tell me what he's like.
He's terrifying. And he did it.
He said that?
Basically.
Richard, that's amazing! That's awesome! Yes! Shit, yes! You got him to confess on the first day? Yes!
Beck,
Yes.
wait a minute. Where are you going? What are you looking for?
My phone.
Your phone?
Yeah, I need to call my dad. I need to tell him something.
Wait, baby. Sit down. And my God, calm down. Listen. We need to be discreet about this. Not only could it hold me back from that promotion, but I would get fired. I told myself when I came home tonight I wasn't going to discuss it at all, but that doesn't sit well with me. I can share some things from my day, but you must promise not to say a word, not a word.
Okay, sweetheart.
I feel like he thinks he's some martyr. Some philosophy in his head allowed him to do it without feeling any remorse.
A psychopath.
I'm not sure of that. If he was truly a psychopath, he wouldn't need the philosophy.
I think he's a damn maniac. That picture of him, he looks like he'd do something like that. It all still seems so unreal to me. It's nearly year 2050, and we're more primal and stupid than we've ever been. Listen to me. We. Like he's a normal person like the rest of us.